Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl JoDee right here. I'm so excited that you're here today. Okay, so today we are talking about, I don't know, I have a new love that I need to tell you about. I don't know. I love thrifting. It's 100% in my DNA now to go out and find these amazing pieces of clothing, right? But all of a sudden, I have a love of a specific type of clothing that I just can't get enough of. And it's jackets. Not the outer coats that I'm addicted to, but recently I've been really into suit jackets, and in particular, tweed. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I think it's really kind of the academia look that really took hold recently, the dark academia. I do love that kind of smart girl look with, just kind of buttoned up, very serious looking, but I like to make it fun. So yes, all of a sudden I'm a tweed girl. I love tweed. I'm looking out for it. I see it everywhere in the thrift store. And now I'm trying to put it into my closet. I told you last week in my video, we did a $30 or less video, and you need to watch that one if you haven't seen it. That was a pretty good challenge. Well, I couldn't believe how good my outfit came together. So here it is right here for you to take a look at. I thrifted the whole thing. Actually, even the boots. The boots are Doc Martens that I got secondhand on Poshmark. The jeans, the top, and the jacket were all from the Salvation Army, and I got those, plus several other items for under $30 last week. So you have to watch that. Now, obviously the boots were separate, but the whole outfit was less than $30, and I got a couple of extra things. And I really loved that smart look because I just really wanted to kind of look a little buttoned up, a little bit more serious, because I was going to do some interviewing of colleges. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. And I thought that outfit was pretty darn good. I was really happy with it. But now I want to show you the haul of what I recently got when I just bopped into my local thrift store and hit pay dirt. So here we go. It's time for the haul. The first item I got was this beautiful tweed jacket by Petite Perceptions. Now, I'm not petite, I'm actually tall, but this actually fit well enough for me to go ahead and take it home. And look at the different colors on the tweed. I loved the playful colors, but they were grounded with the black and gray. And that's what I really loved. It seems like it could be a really cute top. You can wear any of the colors inside the jacket, underneath the jacket, or you can wear a white blouse like I am here. Throw it on with a skirt that matches, and then you have a complete outfit. I absolutely love it. Thought it was really cute and had to have it. It had to come into my closet. The next item that I got was this houndstooth jacket by Sag Harbor. Okay, I love how it goes down into a single V and one button down here. What I found about this is that when you work on television like I do, I'm a news anchor, you can't really wear houndstooth, and you have to be very careful about your prints because it'll make the cameras go wonky. I think this one's going to work because it has 3 colors. So take a look at that. It has the baby purple, that really in style purple, the white and the black. And I really feel like this is going to work just fine on air, and I'm not going to have to worry about it. Love it, very comfortable. Can't wait to put it to use. Okay, now the next couple of things I got, knowing that they were too big for me because I want to challenge myself to be able to sew clothes and upcycle them. And I'll have a video on that coming up soon. Once I get the courage. I'm not gonna lie. Some of these things are so pretty, I don't wanna mess them up, but you know what? You gotta try it. So here's this beautiful Amanda Smith jacket. Look at that, and the gold button, and it's a tweed as well. Those vibrant colors had to come home with me. I really love this color palette, and I love how it has the no collar look, but it goes down into the V on the bottom. So sharp. And yes, I'm going to try and chop it up and make it fit a little bit better. Oh boy, wish me luck. All right, the next suit jacket that I got is by JM Collection. And this one right here is button up all the way, and it is larger than my size as well. And I thought I'd take a chance on this because I believe that this was 50% off. It might have been even $1. So it was not $8. It was either $4 or $1. Yeah, maybe it was $1. I remember now. And I was like, you know what? For that price, I'm willing to take a chance. If anything, I can maybe turn it into a skirt if it doesn't work out. But I really loved the pattern. Once again, that tweed brings in so many options for you when it comes to your wardrobe. Think about putting tweed into your wardrobe. I'm telling you, it's just really nice. And then I couldn't believe I got this. This is a 2-piece set, and it is vintage. It is made exclusively for Evan and Arthur. Look how pretty that is. And it's 100% silk. And they actually had a pink one just like this, but it was a 2-piece, and the jacket was missing from the pink one. So I was gonna get both, but this top or the little camisole can go over it. 100% silk, and it's brand new. It's just so gorgeous. I could not believe the colors on this. And look at the ribbing. Isn't that gorgeous? This is going to be a nice addition into my wardrobe. Okay, I am trying really hard to add maxis into my wardrobe since I found that one maxi skirt that works well. So I found another maxi skirt to try. And this one is by Fashion Bug, okay? Not a very, well, a very well-known brand, but not a very high fashion brand. That's okay, affordable brand, that's what we'll call it. But I couldn't pass up the print on this because, first of all, it's all those fall colors that you just wanna have, right? And I do like the print, you know, that's where I have the challenges, the print. I think the reason why that other skirt that I wore, the maroon skirt, was successful because it didn't have print, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna go for it. I have boots that I wanna wear, and I think that these will go perfect with it. And then to top it off, I got this beautiful Liz Claiborne blouse. And you know what? You cannot go wrong by just getting staples, okay? Just plain staples to add into your wardrobe so you can wear those crazy colors. You know, see, I've got just a basic white shirt underneath this, but now I can wear these crazy colors, and the white shirt kind of grounds it. That's exactly what this sweater is going to do. It will ground any outfit. So if I have this on, I'll have it with the skirt. The skirt will be grounded. It won't look as crazy, and I'll have a complete outfit. So I wanted to ask you something. Do you feel like you're going into hibernation? I really feel like now that the temperatures are a little bit colder and the sunlight isn't up as much or as long as it usually is, I'm really feeling like I'm hibernating. And I think that's why I have developed a love for my new hobby, which is crocheting. I mean, I have dabbled in it a little bit in the past, but never have I been committed to finished projects. And your girl's finishing projects. I actually have a couple of things to model for you right now to show you what I've been working on. The one thing I want to know is would you like to see some videos on crocheting and thrift flipping? Because those are some videos that I can incorporate into this channel and give diversity to the channel and also not over consume in clothing. You know I like to shop a lot. Don't get it twisted. I'm not going to stop shopping at all. Not 100%. I will be shopping probably weekly. It's just I want to be able to provide you with new and interesting things and share with you my love and creativity and excitement for new things in my life. So I want to know this week, first of all, what's your favorite item? But also, secondly, would you like to see thrift flips, and would you like to see some crocheting projects? Because I'm having a great time with them and I want to share with you. And I don't think we're ever too old to learn something new. And I want to be that example for you. You know, I am not hitting it out of the park, but I think I'm doing okay. So I wanted to give you a little modeling session right now. We're going to go outside and I'm going to model some of the items that I have made so far. I hope you love them.